Just when we thought the OnePlus 13 had set the standard, the upcoming OnePlus 15 is all ready to be a true game changer, and the latest leaks paints a picture that's hard to ignore. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your hub of the latest tech news. A trusted tipster spotted and leaked the details, which showcase a device that's not just refining the formula, but aggressively pushing limits. The star of the show is a 6.7-inch OLED display with a lightning-fast 165Hz refresh rate and a dazzling 1800 nit peak brightness, a serious leap from the 120Hz panel on the previous one. It also has the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 chipset, promising elite tier performance, something OnePlus has already confirmed. It'll be backed by a massive 7300 mAh battery with 120-watt wired and 50-watt wireless charging, whereas the OnePlus 13 has 6000 mAh and 100-watt. And then there's the camera, a triple 50-megapixel lens array, just like the OnePlus 13, but they've upgraded the sensors. Whether you're shooting ultra-wide, telephoto, or standard, OnePlus seems set on ensuring no compromise in quality. That's not all. It comes with an IP69 rating, meaning full dust protection and resistance to high-pressure water, which is a rare badge of durability even among flagship phones. The leaks show off the phone in Sandstorm, a color already teased on OnePlus's official channels. Bold, stylish, and unmistakably premium. If these leaks are true, the OnePlus 15 won't just be an upgrade, it might be the phone to beat in 2025. The launch is already around the corner, and this might be your next powerhouse in waiting. Are you ready to grab OnePlus 15 for yourself? Let us know in the comments. Give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to GadInsider, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss any tech update.